President Yoweri Museveni nacheyongera okugenda omu misho na n'okuronda obushagiki omu myanya etali emwe n'emwe kandi erizooba yasiba omu district ya Rakai na Lyantonde aho abantu nyamwingi baba bamutegerize okwasa kuhurikiza ebyarabagambire. Abantu ba district ya Rakai bayiterera enduru ahari President Museveni bari kugira ngu abakorere aha kizibu ky'amaizi ekibari kugira ngu kibateganise obwire buringwa.
Sebo w'ekitiibwa President tuyina okusoomozebwa mu mazzi aga pipe oba ag'emidumu naye tuli bakakafu nti ensonga eyo ojja kugikolako era tukutegeeza nti amazzi gaffe ag'omu ttaka ga munnyu.
Abantu ba Rakai basima President Museveni ahabw'amaani agatiremu okureba ngu yarwanisa oburwire obwa siriimu obwabire bwamazireho abantu omu district egi.
Actually, we thank the President of Uganda for fighting HIV/AIDS in Rakai district, because initially it was very bad here. It was like a scourge. Everyone was dying of HIV, but right now people are getting free medication for HIV, and it's no longer a threat to us.
Before the coming of His Excellency, HIV prevalence levels were very high in Rakai district. As we speak now, people can live longer. Even the levels of illiteracy have gone a bit down due to universal primary education, and which is free, and universal secondary education.
Bo abebembezi ab'ekibiina kya NRM basima President habwe bintu ebyakolire abantu ba Rakai.
Nja kwebaza okukkiriza nga tewakyali kubuusabuusa oluguudo olwa Lyantonde Lumbugu Ntantamuke. Ababaka bafe aba Parliament abawano bwejjo balusimbako nnyesira mukama wange nga balukusaba era nja kwebaza okukkiriza oluguudo olukolebwa.
Mukugamba kwe President Museveni yahiga abantu okugenda bakateera Karuuru batine Kutinisizibwa Koona.
Mulaba ebizibu ebiri mu mawanga gensi yonna Africa n'awalala. Olaba najuzi abantu batabula ensi yaffe eno Tanzania nibatabula nibonoona ebintu so nga Tanzania ebadde mu ddembe okumala emyaka mingi. N'olwekyo eky'eddembe temukizanyisa. Naye mbakakasa nti NRM erina byonna ebyetaagisa okukuuma eddembe lyammwe.
Yayongera yagamba n'ahashonga y'abantu kukora bakabasa kuruga omu bworo.
Kati ebyo byonna biri ku ludda lwa enkulaakulana omu byenfuna. Kati ku ludda lw'ebyenkulaakulana mu mbeera y'abantu awo oba oyogera ku masomero, malwaliro.
Nabwanyuma abo boona abarabiremu mu Karuuru ak'okukwata ebendera, President Museveni yabakwasa ebendera z'ekibiina kya NRM omu butongore. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha Hatariho West.